Sometimes, we need to define queries that imply that we navigate a certain table. However, when the same attribute has the same value stored for several records, we will need that value to appear only once. The unique clause enables us to mention attributes whose values must not appear duplicated in the query's output. Let's see this topic in practice. Note the structure of the transaction, session. Since room ID is a foreign key in session, a session will have only one associated room, while one room may be assigned to several sessions. Suppose that we're requested to provide a listing with all rooms assigned to sessions. It's clear that we must navigate the physical table that stores sessions in order to show the room assigned to each session, but there could be duplicated rooms. The unique clause enables us to ensure that this will not happen. That is to say, we'll mention the room ID attribute, so if several records of sessions have the same room ID, it will not be duplicated and will be used only once. So let's take a look at the procedure called rooms list. The settings required for the output to be a PDF listing have been made. So to view the results at runtime, we right-click on Procedures tab and select the Run option. Even if we've entered 5 rooms, only 2 of them, room number 1 and room number 3, have been assigned to different sessions. Let's verify the data we've recorded. We press F5 and then select the room transaction, and we will see the 5 rooms we had entered. And we can see that the rooms recorded are in fact room 1 and room 3. Now let's see one more example relative to the use of the unique clause. Consider the same session transaction. We're requested to provide a similar listing as the one mentioned above to show all rooms with sessions assigned. For each room, the listing must also show the number of sessions it has been assigned with. Let's get to the procedure. As we've already seen, the rooms that have sessions assigned are in the session physical table. So, for each value of room ID in the session base table, we must be able to run a count formula to return the number of sessions recorded. In the procedure source, we start to define the following. For each session, then the unique clause, followed by room ID, and inside the body of the for each, we will define the assignment of the variable quantity. And the result of the count formula that references the attribute session title. Lastly, we write the printing order of the print block room to show the value of room ID with no repetitions and the corresponding number returned by the count formula. Then we close with N4 and save. Note that in this example, the base table of the for each is the same as the base table of the inline formula, that is, session. Therefore, the count formula will add to the formula an implied condition from the context, which is the fact that it will count all sessions for the attribute declared in the unique clause, that is, room ID. The settings necessary for the output to be a PDF listing have been made. So we right-click on the Procedures tab and then select Run. And we will see the listing of room identifiers that have sessions assigned and their corresponding number of sessions. This has shown us that the unique clause also groups information when we include inline formulas inside the for each.